Hey everyone. So another full day. It's Sunday here in Renfrew, working on the 81 Chev again today. Did quite a bit of stuff today, little bits things here and there. I worked on the chassis a little bit. I pulled out the cross member in the middle there. It was a bit rusty. As well as making some more patches on the windshield. It's come along well. My friend's daughter popped by. She wanted to learn how to do some sheet metal, so she made this patch here. Worked it really well. We welded that one in, as well as she made this one here. And we've got that one welded, spot welded in. I have to finish putting that one in, and then did another one here. That one's almost done. That one was difficult because it's on the curve, but it's getting along there. As well as removed the back window out of the truck. And I worked on my sandblast cabinet I've been building. It's coming along well. And I started cutting away for the new rocker panels. New inner panels have not arrived yet. They're supposed to be here this week sometime. So once I have it, then I'll know where I can start cutting back to cab corners as well. This panel here, I don't know if I'm gonna buy one, but I at least have to patch it. It's got a few holes in it here and there. And similarly, the lower bottom mount there has to be replaced. I've ordered that. Hopefully that's supposed to be in this week. Similar with the floor, will need to be patched, but I gotta wait till I get all the panels in before I start doing that. I think I want to rotate the cab 90 degrees this way, so it'll be easier to get to the floor to do those mounts. Haven't decided yet on that. What else did I do today? Oh yes, I made this handy little tool. You can see this here. I made it so it's got two different diameters, and the diameters work out well. So I have it in the vise, and that way I can hammer away for doing the diameter, the radius for inside here, and then the bigger one is for the inside radius on that side too. And then it sits in the vise. It's good and solid, so you can hammer on it. Yeah, it's going to be a handy little tool for all sorts of sheet metal stuff. What else do we do today? I mean, it doesn't seem like much, but it took up the whole day. Yeah, we played in the shop all day here, but the truck's coming along well, and we'll keep trucking away at it. So, all right, we'll be back tomorrow playing again. Bye.